In this question, they gave 4 points. Prove that the points so and so taken in order are the corners of parallelogram. So first we need to understand what this question is saying. First they have given 4 points. So we'll write that 4 points. Given points are -7, -3, let it be A, B 5, 10, C 15, 8, D 3, -5. Taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram. So first, what is parallelogram? It is nothing but a structure which looks like a rectangle, but it is not a rectangle. So we'll plot these points on this diagram. A. So we have to be careful when we are plotting this point on this diagram. We have to write in the order. Here it is clearly mentioned that taken in order. This point is important. Taken in order. A, B. Usually student writes A, B, and then C here, D here. That's wrong way. You have to write in an order. A, B, and then C here, D here. So what they are asking us to prove that these 4 points forms a parallelogram. So to prove that this 4 points forms a parallelogram, we need to prove that AB, distance between A and B, comma distance between B and C, distance between C and D, distance between A and D, or we can write D and A. AB, distance between A and B, distance between B and C, distance between C and D, distance between D and A, and distance between A and C, distance between B and D. So we need to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First we need to find out 6 distances. Once we are ready with these 6 distances, we have to prove that 2 sides are equal, opposite 2 sides are equal, and diagonals are not equal. We have to prove that opposite 2 sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. So let us begin. First we will calculate the distance between A and B. We will keep here all the distances. AB is equal to BC, and then CD, DA, AC, and BD. We will calculate all these distances. First AB. Formula remains same. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So here this value is x1 y1, this value is x2 y2. x2 is 5 minus x1, this minus and this minus, it will become plus 7 whole square. y2, value of y2 is 10 minus and this minus, plus 3 whole square. 5 plus 7, 12, 10 plus 3, 13, 12 square, 144, 13 square, 169. If you add this 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So we got the value of AB. The value of AB is under root of 313. Now in the similar fashion we will calculate the value of BC. Now we will calculate the distance between B and C. When we are calculating the distance between B and C, B will become x1, y1, C will become x2, y2. x2, the value of x2 is 15 minus the value of x1 is 5 value of y2 is 8, value of y1 is 10. This is 10 square, this is minus 2 square. 10 square 100, 2 square it is 4. So it will be 104. So we got the value of BC as 104. Next we will calculate the distance between C and D. When we are calculating the distance between C and D, C will become x1, y1 and D will become x2 and y2. So the value of x2, is 3, the value of x1 is 15 whole square, the value of y2 is minus 5, value of y1 is 8. 3 minus 15, it is minus 12 whole square, minus 5 minus 8, it is minus 13 whole square. 12 square, again it is 144, 13 square 169, again we get the value of CD as under root of 313. Similarly, we will calculate the distance between D and A. So the value of DA, when we are calculating the DA, D will become x1, y1, A will become x2, y2. So x2 value is minus 7, minus 3 whole square. The value of y2 is minus 3, formula minus, and here it is minus 5. So minus of minus plus 5 whole square. So this will be minus 10 square plus 2 square. This is 100 and this is 4. This is 104. So we got the value of DA as root 104. As you can see that the value of AB and CD are same. The values of BC and DA are same. Till now we are able to prove that opposite two sides are equal. Opposite two sides, there is AB and CD are equal, AD and BC are equal. We are able to prove that. But still we cannot say that this 4 points forms a parallelogram. It can be a square, but because it can be a rectangle, because in case of rectangle also opposite two sides are equal. Now we need to prove that diagonals are not equal. If we are able to prove that diagonals are not equal, then we can say that these 4 points forms parallelogram. We will calculate the value of A and C. When we are calculating the value of A and C, A will become x1, y1 and C will become x2, y2. So value of x2, the value of x2 is 15 minus x1, x1 is 7, minus of minus it is plus 7, the value of y2 is 8, formula minus, the value of y1 is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3. So this will become 15 plus 7, 22, 8 plus 3, 11. 22 square, so we can calculate here, 22 into 22, 484, plus 11 square, 121. So if we add this, under root of 605, the value of AC is under root of 605. Now we need to calculate the distance between B and D. When we are calculating the distance between B and D, B will become x1, y1 and D will become x2, y2. So we need to substitute in the same formula. x2. x2 value is 3 minus x1, it is 5. The value of y2 is minus 5 and the y1 value is 10. Two square, that is 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 square minus 15 square. Two square is 4, 15 square (225). So if we add this to 229, under root of 229, these two values are not equal. As we can prove that these two values are not equal, diagonals are not equal, therefore we can say that these 4 points form parallelogram.